Good morning, student. Welcome to Ganjeti online classes. Class 9 English Beehives the book. Chapter number 3 Prose is a prose. And topic name is The Little Girl. And I am going to discuss its exercise. And I hope that whatever I explained this lesson about the Kejia and his father and about how Kejia feels about his fathers and everything I have discussed, and I hope you the lesson is very clear to you. So now this is the time to explain the exercise. So you can open page number 38. Page number 38 you can open and we shall discuss its exercise. Here number 1, given below are some emotions that Kejia felt. Match the emotion in column A with the items in column B. It's okay? Here first number emotion of Kejia was first fear or terror. Fear or terror. That real answer is I, the Roman letter 3. Father comes home. Fear or terror when father comes home. This one number answer is B side. Roman letter 3. Okay. Number 2, glad sense of relief. Glad sense of relief means noise of the carriage grows fainter. Noise B. Answer is B. That second one. 2 Number 2. Yes. That is noise of the carriage grows fainter. Number 3, a funny feeling perhaps of understanding. And its answer is father comforts her and falls asleep. Father comforts her and falls asleep. That is funny feeling perhaps of understanding. These are all the answers. Yes, students, now number Roman letter 2, answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1 question, why was Kejia afraid of her father? Kejia अपने पापा से क्यों डर जाती थी? Yes, answer is Kejia was afraid of her father because he used to talk to her harshly. क्योंकि इसके पापा उसको harshly means roughly या थोड़ा सा गुस्से में बात करते थे. He was in a habit of finding out her mistakes. Second point, कि केजिया का गलती ढूंढते थे. That's the reason Kejia was afraid of his father, of her father. Okay. Once again, Kejia was afraid of her father because he used to talk to her harshly. He was in a habit of finding out her mistakes. Question number 2. Who were the people in Kejia's family? Okay, very simple. Kejia's family had her grandmother, mother and father, means 4 members. And one of the servant also, that we can mention maybe servant name Alice, one of the servant name also mentioned. Okay. These are the people in Kejio's family. It's clear to understand? Now, question number 3. What was Kejio's father's routine? Kejia का पापा का दिनचर्या क्या था? Routines. Number 1, before going to his office. First point. ऑफिस जाने से पहले केजिया का पापा का एक्शन क्या था? Answer is he used to kiss Kejia casually before going to his office. ऑफिस जाने से पहले पापा अपने बच्ची को किस देते थे. अच्छा, पॉजिटिव था, बहुत अच्छा था. सेकंड पॉइंट, आफ्टर कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम हिज ऑफिस. ऑफिस से आने के बाद उसका रिएक्शन क्या था? ही वुड आस्क फॉर द न्यूज़पेपर एंड टी आफ्टर कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम हिज ऑफिस. ऑफिस से आने के बाद पापा न्यूज़पेपर और चाय के लिए ऑर्डर देते थे. यस, he would ask for the newspaper and tea after coming back from his office. Then third number question, on Sundays संडे के दिन में क्या करते थे? ऑन संडेज ही वुड टेक रेस्ट. ऑन संडेज ही वुड टेक रेस्ट. ही वुड एंजॉय साउंड स्लीप ऑन द सोफा. संडे के दिन सोफा में ही आनंद का नींद, बहुत ही घोर निंद्रा में सोते थे या सोने में मजा लेते थे. These are the 3 points. Father's routine. On Sunday, sleeping too much, and in the early morning he used to go to before he goes he kiss. And another point, he after coming office he asks for tea and newspaper. These are the routines of father. Yes, students. Now next point, next question. In what ways did Kejia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? किस तरीके से केजिया के दादी माँ उसके पापा को अच्छी तरह जानने के लिए वो समझाया कि तुम ये करो. लेट्स सी द आंसर. केजिया's grandmother sent her to her father's room. Kejia's grandmother sent her to her father's room to have a nice talk with him. Okay. Besides, she asked her to make a gift of a pin cushion on her father's birthday. उसके दादी माँ बोले कि तुम्हारे पापा के बर्थडे के दिन एक ठो पिन क्वेश्चन एक ठो बना के उसको गिफ्ट में देना है. अच्छा सजेशन दिए. ठीक है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. नाउ डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. डिस्कस दिस क्वेश्चंस इन क्लास with a teacher and then write down your answers in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. This is the question headline. Now we are not in the class but online also we can discuss. Student, now all of you open your book and let's discuss question number 1. Kejia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Kejia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? केजिया चाहती थी कि अपने पापा को खुश करे, लेकिन उसका परिणाम उल्टा हुआ. और कैसे हुआ इसको लेकर एक लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है. लेट्स डिस्कस. केजिया used to be afraid of her father because her father talked to her harshly. This is the one more point. One day her grandmother told her to make a pin cushion to gift him on his birthday, which was approaching. Kezia took it an opportunity to please him. So she stitched cotton cloth 3 sides and looked for the things that could be stuffed into the stitched cloth. Soon she found out many sheets of paper. Actually, they contained her father's speech for the port authority. She tore them into pieces and stopped her case. Yes, one day when her father looked for the papers, he did not find them. After some time, he came to know that Kezia had torn them into pieces to make a pin cushion. He got infuriated and beat her with a ruler. Thus, her efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. Yes, understood the question's answer? We saw that. केजिया सोचती थी कि अपने पापा को एक तो गिफ्ट बर्थडे गिफ्ट में अच्छा सा एक जो छोटा सा पिन कुशन बना के दें और इसके लिए कपड़ा मैं 3 तरफ से सिलवाई, लेकिन उसको पैक करने के लिए कुछ ढूंढ रही थी. तो आखिर में उसके पापा जो आने वाला दिन में स्पीच देना है उसी पेपर को फाड़ के फेंक दिए. उसको क्या पता था कि पापा का स्पेशल स्पीच था. उसके लिए पापा उसको जब पता चला तो इतना पिटाई किए कि जो पापा को समझाना चाहती थी कि मैं तुम्हारा बहुत प्यारी बेटी हूँ, लेकिन पापा उल्टा समझ के माने. यस, this is the answer of this question. I hope you understood. Question number 2. Kezia decides that there are different kinds of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald, and how was he different from Kezia's father? Yes, question. Kezia आज उसको समझ में आया कि बहुत तरह के पापा हैं, और जैसे कि मैकडोनाल्ड का नेबर है वो एक तरह का पापा है, और उसके पापा और अपने पापा में क्या डिफरेंस है. यस, एंड हाउ वाज ही डिफरेंट फ्रॉम केजियाज फादर. केजिया के पापा से उसके पापा क्या डिफरेंट है. लेट्स डिस्कस द आंसर. इन केजियाज ओपिनियन हर फादर वाज वेरी हार्श. केजिया के मत से उसके पापा ही क्या थे, बहुत ही रफ थे. हार्श मीन्स कठोर थे, निर्दय. He did not talk to her affectionately, but rather he used to speak to her stringently. So she avoided him. मिलनसार नहीं थे उसके पापा. She did not want to be in front of him because she was afraid of him. Moreover, her father never spent time with her. उसके पापा उसकी बेटी के समय नहीं देते थे. Okay, but another father, MacDonald family lived next door to her house. Yes, neighbor, पड़ोसी थे. One evening she saw him playing tag with his children. अपने बच्चों के साथ टैग खेल रहे हैं उसके पापा. A baby was on his shoulders and two little girls were hanging on his coat pockets. They were laughing. एक बच्चे कांधे में, दो बच्चे गोद में और हंस रहे हैं. And also she saw some boys turn the horse on MacDonald and try to catch them laughing all the time. Yes, the two boys also playing and enjoying. This type of family Kezia saw. Okay, she found them feel friendly with their father, so she wished if her father were like them. Yes, Kezia thought that my father should be like them. So this is the answer. I hope you that I discuss this answer, and if you read the textbook and also listen my commentary, and you can do better. Third number question. How does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? How does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? आखिर में केजिया को कैसे मालूम चला कि उसके पापा एक इंसान है और उसको भी सहानुभूति, उसकी बेटी को सहानुभूति देना चाहते हैं. कैसे जाना? या दिस स्टोरी इज द क्लोजिंग पार्ट रियली. सो लेट्स डिस्कस हियर. वन नाइट Kezia had a nightmare which made her too terrified. Yeah, you know the story that mother and grandmother, they were in the hospital. Kezia and father were sleeping together, and here Kezia had the nightmare. Nightmare means a very horror dream at the night. Okay, so one night Kezia had a nightmare which made her too terrified. She was crying out of fear. When she woke up, she found her father beside her bed with a candle in his hand. He asked her what the matter was. When he came to know about her nightmare, he blew out the candle, bent down and caught up the child in his arms. We can see पापा कितना प्यारे हैं. उस रात को सोने टाइम में पता चला. Let's see. He carried her to the big bedroom. He laid her on the bed and pulled the covers up around her. Apart from these, he lay down beside her. Yes, and after some time, still half asleep, she crept close to him. After some time, still half asleep, she crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm. Yes, student. And held tightly to his shirt. Now she felt comfortable. Yes, once again. After some time, still half asleep, she crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm, and held tightly to his shirt. Now she felt comfortable. Her father told her to rub her feet against his legs and get them warm. इसके पापा शरीर को इस बच्ची का शरीर गर्माहट दे रहे हैं. Let's see. Now Kezia realized that her father was not as harsh as she thought. शुरू में जैसे केजिया सोचती थी कि मेरे पापा कितना घटिया हैं, वो अब ये सोच चले गया. She realized that her father had to work all day long and got so tired that he could not play with her. She realized that her father wanted her to understand his compulsion. At bottom, he was a very good person. Yes, students, we discussed this literature part, and I hope what I discussed literature part, I hope you have understood. Yes, students, now let's thinking about language. Yes, in this chapter language is very important. I hope language makes a student more stronger in English, so you have to give more stress in language. So here, look at the following sentences. Let's discuss. There was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter. Here, glad sense. Glad means happy about something. Glad, happy, pleased, delighted, thrilled, and overjoyed are synonyms, words, or expressions that have the same or nearly the same meaning. However, they express happiness in certain ways. What? Glad, happy, pleased, delighted, thrilled, and overjoyed. Yeah? Let's see, read the sentences below. She was glad when the meeting was over. She was glad when the meeting was over. जब मीटिंग खत्म हुआ वो बहुत खुश थी. It's one of the sentence. Number 2, the chief guest was pleased to announce the name of the winners. और चीफ गेस्ट ने आनंद मतलब खुशी के साथ जो जीते थे उनका नाम को घोषणा की. ठीक है. So here there are some questions. We have to find the answer. What will be the exact one? So use an appropriate word from the synonyms given above in the following sentences. Clues are given in brackets. Let's find. She was, number 1, dashed by the news of her brother's wedding. Very pleased means what will be the right one? We can discuss. Question 1, and will be answer thrilled. Once again. She was thrilled by the news of her brother's wedding. Number 2, I was dashed to be invited to the party. Extremely pleased and excited about. That means delighted. Number 2 is delighted. Once again, right answer means I was delighted to be invited. टू द पार्टी, मैं उस पार्टी में निमंत्रित के लिए बहुत ही खुश था। नंबर 3, शी वॉज डैश एट द बर्थ ऑफ हर ग्रैंड डॉटर। एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी मीन्स शी वॉज ओवरजॉयड, overjoyed, she was overjoyed. Number 4, the coach was dashed with his performance, satisfied about. Yes, that answer will be pleased. The coach was pleased. सबका मीनिंग एक ही है, लेकिन हम कहाँ पर क्या यूज कर रहे हैं। लेट्स सी, द कोच was pleased with his performance. Number 5, question is, she was very dash with her results. Happy about something that has happened means she was very happy with her results. She was very happy with her results. Thrilled, delighted, overjoyed, pleased, happy. These similar synonyms of these words. Now, number 2, study the use of the word big in the following sentences. He was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth. Here, big means large in size. Now, consult the dictionary and find out the meaning of big in the following sentences. The first one has been done for you. Okay, you are big girl now. Big means older. Here, big means older. This is the question part 2. Everything is older already given. Once again, you are a big girl now means you are older. Number 2, today you are going to take a biggest decisions of your career. Biggest decision here means that is most important. Most important. Number 3, their project is full of big ideas. Big ideas means great idea. Number 4, cricket is a big game in our country. Big game means very popular. Very popular game. Number 5, I am a big fan of Lata Mangeshkar. Means that is great. Means great. Number 6, you have to cook a bit more as my friend is a big eater. Big eater means also great. The last one, what a big heart you have got. Father dear means very affectionate or large hearted. Very affectionate or large heart. बड़ा दिल or large hearted. So these are all the answer of this language. Now student discuss about the next point. Next point, verbs of reporting. In this point, let's discuss. Study the following sentences. What? Screamed mother. No. She whispered. Sit up. He ordered. The italicized words are verbs of reporting. Okay. You can see in the book. We quote or report what someone has said or thought by using a reporting verb. Every reporting clause contains a reporting verb. For example, he prompted to help in my project. How are you doing? Seema asked. These are the questions I am reading. Here we use verbs or reporting to advise, order, report, statements, thoughts, intentions, questions, requests, apologies, manners of speaking, and so on. And here question number 1, underline the words of reporting in the following sentences. One number, underline reporting verbs. First number, he says he will enjoy the ride. He says. Says is reporting verb. It's okay. Father mentioned that he was going on a holiday. Here, number 2 answer is mentioned. Mentioned is reporting verb. Father mentioned. Number 3, no one told us that the shop was closed. No one told us. Here, told is reporting verb. Number 4, he answered that the price would go up. He answered. Here, answered is reporting verb. Question number 5, I wondered why he was screaming. Here, wondered. I wondered. Then question number 6, Ben told her to wake him up. Here, told is reporting verb. 7 number question, Ratan apologized for coming late to the party. Apologized. Here, apologize is reporting verb. Apologized. That is reporting verb. Apologized. And yes also. Sometimes right. So students, this is all about question number 1. Now let's discuss the 2 number question. Some verbs of reporting are given in the box. Choose the appropriate verbs and fill in the blanks in the following sentences. Let's discuss this in this question and answer. This is the part 2. We shall discuss here. Yes, student. Question number 1. I am afraid. Dash the man. I am afraid. Dash the man. Remark the man. Remark the man. I am afraid. Number 2. Leave me alone. My mother shouted. My mother shouted. Number 3. The children were complaining that the roads were crowded and noisy. Were complaining. Children were complaining. Number 4. Perhaps he is not a bad sort of a cheap after all. That's the master replied. The master. Question number 5. Let's go and look at the school ground. That's the sports teacher suggested. Sports teacher suggested. Sports teacher. The last one, the traffic police dash all the passers by to keep off the road. Yes, ordered. Order. O-R-D-E-R-E. Order all the passers by to keep off the roads. So students, I think in this way we have discussed all the chapter exercise and all these chapters all the exercise, and from very beginning till this, and I hope you that you have to practice all the exercise, also the grammar part, because if you more practice, then you will more gain the knowledge. I hope you that. Meet you once again in next period. So have a good day and goodbye.